Alright, hi everyone. Here I'm just going to go through and just cover the port forwarding in the router setup very quickly. Everyone's router is going to be different, but it'll give you the general idea. So obviously you can see here, this is my router. Over here what you're looking for is I'm looking for port forwarding on your router. I'm not sure where it is on different routers, but over here it's port forwarding. I've already set it up, so obviously it's best to have a fixed IP internally. So these are the two ports. So I've just named it MediaPortal, which is the TV and the movie service. That uses, which is the MP extended, MediaPortal extended. That uses that port, and aMPdroid, the remote control, uses that port, and obviously I'm just porting it to my local, the server that's using those ports. That's all you have to configure. Make sure you configure that. Same thing on the server, whatever firewall you're running, make sure you open up those ports to allow it to get in. So now I'm just going to go over and show you how to set it up on aMPdroid itself on your mobile device, and I'll show you how it works and show you it running outside of the network. So as you can see there, I've just got aMPdroid open up, and I've taken it off full screen to show you that there's no Wi-Fi connection, so it's running on my 3G connection up there. So it's running totally independent of my local network. So first thing we do is, I've already set it up, so you'll see it's connected, but I'll go through, and the first thing we do is we go through settings, and inside go into the clients, find the client that you want. In this case for me it's that one there. So what you want to do is, if you switch over to advanced mode, so the name can be anything, doesn't really matter. What we're looking for is, here we've got the host or IP address and the port. Obviously the MAC address, and that's for the Wi-Fi remote. So for the remote, you punch in here your external IP address. If it's not a fixed IP address, in this example I've just used my IP address. I know it's not fixed, but the alternative is to put in a DYN DNS address, which will keep it up to date. But so they're the important things, are your external IP address and your port. So for the remote, it needs to be port 8017. Obviously use authentication. If we scroll down, for the TV, again the same, we want the external IP address of your router and the port, and in this case default port is 4322. Again, want authentication, and then we go down here, and for the media it's the same as the TV, so it's the external IP address and the port is 4322. Again, these are all defaults, so so that's what you do in there. Alright, I've already done that. And then if you go out, back out into the your router, stop, remote not accessing, I'm going to reload it. Okay, so once you go back out, as you can see, I've left Wi-Fi off, so if I go into TV, I'll be able to, if I'm out on the road and I want to check my TV guide, or I want to record something, obviously my server box has to be on, or you can set up the Wake on LAN. In this case it's already on, so you can see it's not on Wi-Fi, and these are the shows. So just to show you, I can, let's say I'm going to record Baywatch, so a long press on that. So again, you've got those options: record, stream, play on PC, and details. So if I hit record, you'll see on MediaPortal there shortly that it'll come up with the record box. It hasn't popped up, but it will. It definitely on there. It'll pop up in a second. What I'll do is I'll go over here and I'll go play on PC. You'll see it load up. There you have it. I'm controlling it outside. So just let that go. I'll go back into, if we go into recordings, you'll see these are pre-recorded shows. So what did I select before? Baywatch, there it is. That's currently recording. So it's actually working, and I'll go into TV Guide shortly to show that. So everything else works. I mean, it's a little bit slower. There we go, recording. Everything's a little bit slower because of the Wi-Fi, not the Wi-Fi, the 3G on the phone. Obviously, your movies you can stream here now. You can stream all your movies. So again, I've got the 2 demo ones. If I go there, if I go play on PC, you'll see it switch over on MediaPortal. Give us a, there you have it. I'm going to stop it. So I'm just going to show you streaming straight onto the phone over 3G. There you have it. That's streaming straight off my 3G connection. Obviously, you know, you don't want to be playing movies over your 3G unless you've got lots and lots of download. So I'm just going to stop that. I'm going to go back and I'll show, obviously, same with the TV series, it still works exactly like the movies. I'll, just to show it works, play it on PC. There you have it on the PC. So I'm just going to stop that. Go back. With the remote, obviously, it's probably not ideal because you're not going to be able to see it, but what you can do is use this more, and you can basically see your MediaPortal without even being in the same location. So that's quite cool to show you. And you can see it change over on MediaPortal there. So we'll go back. Unfortunately, moving pictures, it doesn't have a menu. I've already talked to the developer, and it doesn't have a menu to load, but as you can see on TV series it does. So you can actually go through as you were sitting in front of MediaPortal. That's pretty cool. So there you have it, just a quick overview on setting up and controlling your aMPdroid while you're remote. And the advantage of this obviously is that you can record, you can log in remotely and record shows and things like that, which is pretty cool. There you have it. Thanks for watching.